How to trade in Lootify Roblox. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So currently trading is not officially supported in Lootify, while there are rumors about it being added in the future updates. Nothing has been confirmed yet, so as of now you cannot trade directly. However, there is an alternative method called cross trading which involves gifting. So here's how you can do it. For that, go to the shop and select gift option. Buy an item and then send it to another player. And then in return, they can gift you something back. So this is currently the only way to exchange items with the other player. But here's the catch. Cross trading is risky, so I don't recommend using this method unless it's with the alternate account or trusted friend. That's all for now. Trading in Lootify is limited, but I hope this guide helps you understand how gifting works. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.